Over the last few months, I have analyzed over 100 sales calls, different industries, different deal size, and different types of clients. And I noticed something surprising. The people who consistently closed the deals were not the most confident, they were not more aggressive, and they were definitely not the ones who talked the most. Today, I'm going to show you what they did differently. In our business, sales conversation happens every day. High value deals, negotiations, price objections, repeat clients, and after listening carefully to these 100 calls, clear patterns started to emerge. And the biggest realization? Winning sales conversations were calm and losing ones feel rushed. And that changes everything. There are mainly 5 differences between average sellers and the winner. Difference number 1, they control the pace. Average seller rush to impress, they explain too much, and they fill every silence. Top performers are comfortable with pauses, they don't react immediately, and they don't panic when client questions them. So whoever controls the pace controls the direction. Difference number 2, they ask sharper questions. Weak calls focus on surface level information and strong calls go deeper. Example, what happens if this doesn't work? Why is this important right now? And what's at risk if you delay this decision? The best sellers don't gather data, they uncover consequences. Difference number 3, they don't fight price objections. On losing calls, I heard a lot of defending, justifying, discounting, explaining, and on winning calls, I heard something different. For example, if the price is only deciding factor, I understand. But may I ask, what outcomes matters to you most? And that's the one question that shifts the conversation from cost to value. Winners don't argue about the price, they reframe the decision. Difference number 4, they are comfortable losing their deal, and this was the most powerful difference. The best salesperson were okay walking away. They didn't chase, they didn't beg, and they didn't overpromise. The moment you need the deal, you lose leverage. Difference number 5, they sell clarity and not the excitement. Average sellers try to build excitement, but winners build clarity. They clearly explain what will happen, what will not happen, what expected from both the sides, and what risk exists. People do not buy enthusiasm, they buy reduced uncertainty. So after 100 sales calls, these are the patterns I could not ignore. They slow down, they ask deeper questions, they don't defend price, they are okay losing, and they create clarity. Sales is not about convincing someone, it's all about qualifying someone. The best sales conversations don't feel intense, they feel intentional. If you are also building a business or leading a team or closing high value deals, focus less on scripts and more on thinking clearly. And if this helped, let me know. Hope you like the video. Subscribe my channel.